Katie.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Emily. It's so nice to meet you, hon.
So nice to meet you too. Sorry, this is kind of like get a good setup here
No, as long as
with
you
an
can
iPad.
see me, I hear you. As
I
long as you
can't.
can see me, that's important.
Okay.
Not to worry.
Yes, and I've done it a couple times now.
Awesome. Okay.
Did it one time overnight and it looked really great in the morning for like 2 or 3 hours, and then my hair just like was flat.
Flat.
So
Okay.
I don't know if it was like something I did wrong or you know what I mean?
I can definitely help with that. Where are you based? Where are you calling in from?
Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
No way. Are you kidding me?
Mm-hmm.
I love
No.
Pittsburgh. I love Pittsburgh. We might be moving there. I haven't told my family yet, but we like
Oh, it's a great city.
you love it.
I do. I've been here my whole life, never left.
Yeah, wow. Yeah, it seems I'm originally from New York
Mm-hmm.
City. I live in Puerto Rico at the moment, but Pittsburgh
Oh my
seems,
gosh.
I know it's beautiful. It's very tropical. But
Yeah.
but Pittsburgh seems to have like such a big city, but a small town feel. And from everything I see, the people are just wonderful and so community oriented that
Yes.
like this is the way like it should be. Like this is what I would expect out of a town, and it's just so rare to find.
That's how the city exactly. That's like to a T how Pittsburgh is.
Wow. Yeah, my
Yeah.
fiance literally
Highly
just got
recommend
back
it.
last night. He was looking at a place in like Manchester and then also Charleroi, which is outside the
Mm-hmm.
city. But
I know
I'm
where that is. Yeah. I'm
yeah,
right outside the city too. Like I'm toward the north, like South Hills area is really
cool.
nice. Good schools if you plan on having kids.
Yep, that's what I'm
Um,
thinking. Yeah, good place to raise a family.
yeah, the South Hills is like the way to go.
Wow. And there's so much development happening
Mhm.
there too, like building a Ferris wheel and like all these cool things. I'm just blown away by Pittsburgh.
Yeah,
So
it's an awesome city.
cool.
Yeah, you too. Okay.
Awesome. Okay, so Pittsburgh. So it's not too humid. That's what I was asking because Puerto Rico is humid.
No.
All right. When you how did you prep your hair before you wrapped it the time it went flat?
I
Perfect.
bought
Okay.
a spray bottle.
Awesome. Okay. So one recommendation with the spray bottle is to add like a dollop of mousse, like an egg size amount of mousse directly in the bottle, shake it up
Okay.
and spray your hair ear level down. The mousse is like hands down the best type of holding product for your hair for curls. Better
Okay.
than anything.
Okay.
Um, and when it comes
Okay.
to, you don't have one already, do you have a mousse? No one
I
has.
do. Yeah.
You? Okay, cool. Okay, great. I always recommend a very lightweight mousse. No, yeah, mousse.
Okay. That's I think what I have.
Great. Yeah, super lightweight. Anything
Okay.
you Garnier Fructis, whatnot. Great. You'll go for it. So
Okay. I think that's actually what I have.
awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like the
Okay.
only one they have in CVS these days. Just like one
Yeah.
long since the
Yeah.
80s. So that'll totally help your hair with holding the curls. And then just make sure your hair is 100%
Okay.
dry, 100% dry before taking it out. If it's slightly damp, it's
Okay.
upset. Okay, awesome.
Okay. Okay.
And then the other thing I think I read was that it was sliding off your head and didn't.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
Whenever, like, I don't think I'm getting it tight enough. You know what I mean? Like,
Yep.
when I do it, I don't feel like it's tight enough.
Perfect. I can help with that. So what I'll do is I'll show you how I put it on and you just mirror me and I'll like correct anything that I see. So what I like to start is to fold it in half so that the ends are even. Perfect. We both have the cream. We both love Pittsburgh and have cream.
I know, right?
And then put it on your head.
Okay.
And then it should be that the wire is facing forward.
Yes, I remember you saying that in that one video. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Now, have you practiced this step? I'll show you first.
Yes.
Are you able to do it okay?
Oh,
I'll let you do it.
I've done it. Yes.
Okay, cool. So
there we go.
Perfect. Put it on, grab that hair, pull it over, pop it up. And now you just want to wrap the end of the headband around the hair itself. Perfect.
Okay. Okay.
I can help you redo this one. I know it's a little tricky and zoom. Ah, you got it. Yeah, beautiful.
There we go. Okay.
It should feel like a tight scrunch.
Perfect.
Yep, great.
Yes.
Yeah, awesome. Looks good, Katie.
Okay.
You just stayed 5
Awesome.
minutes off of our Zoom. It's usually where I spend my time. Cool. All
Yeah, I've been
right.
practicing, so.
So now we grab that front section.
Okay.
I'm gonna watch you grab it. Perfect. So you're doing a good job. And one thing I'll mention is that if you did, what you did is good. But if you grab this section that was really deep here, it's gonna push
Yeah.
that back because that's where the section ends, is back here. So then it's gonna feel like sliding, but your section's good. So you grabbed a section that's not too deep. So pull it up and over. Great. Yep. I like to switch hands like you did.
Okay.
And if this is helpful, are you a righty or a lefty?
I'm a righty.
A righty. Are you wrapping, is your headband, is this piece here, the long one, on your right side or your left side?
My right side.
Your right side. Okay. So that would be your right thumb is right about here. Do you want to hold your thumb down on the hair you just wrapped? Holds it in place. Well, and like keeps it tight.
That's a good tip.
Cool.
Okay.
And then you can use your left hand to just section another piece right to the first. And again, like I said before about not going too deep, same applies here.
Yeah.
Just go directly under and go over and under. Fabulous. Great. And then you can use again your right thumb to just that down.
That thumb trick is key.
Yeah, it's super helpful. It gives you control just over the hair. Make sure it's not sticking out. You're getting this really quickly. I appreciate it. And then repeat it again, adding another section, grabbing it over. You switch the hands and then right thumb down.
Okay.
And you could probably do it one more time. Another section, add to it. Great. And you're doing a good job of keeping each wrap touching the last. So it'll be consistent.
Yeah, I'm trying to as much as possible.
Fabulous. Okay. Yeah.
Perfect.
And now you're at the ear.
Yes.
So just grab all the hair that's left on that side and combine it into one. Fabulous.
Okay.
Wrapping it around until you get to the end. Great.
And then scrunchie.
And then scrunchie. Perfect.
Okay. So even though those like couple end pieces aren't touching, is that okay?
That's okay. It'll make it a little looser. What you can always do as well is just like if you have long sleeves and you push it up, you can just like push.
Okay.
Yeah, as long as the ends are all caught in the scrunchie. Maybe move the scrunchie.
I think that's probably my problem. Yeah.
Make sure
like the scrunchies.
Yeah. Make sure the scrunchie grabs the end. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go through the scrunchie together.
Because I feel like I have a lot of layers like right at the end. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. And you have really great thick hair too. A lot of it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, there we go.
So
that feels better.
That feels better. I would say make sure the scrunchie really grabs the wrap itself, and we can always tuck those last pieces in that spray out.
Okay.
So that it really gets a good grip on the hair wrap job.
Okay.
Cool.
There we go.
There you go. And then those pieces, you could just, pull them up and tuck it a little bit. It doesn't need to be perfect.
Yeah, because the ends aren't really like what you're focusing on.
No, yeah. And then when you cross it in the back, it kind of curls them anyway, but yeah.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. And you can twist to tighten it. Awesome. Beautiful. And now we just repeat on the other side. Do you have kids?
I have one. I have a daughter who's almost 2.
Oh my goodness.
So
how cute. How is it being a mom?
It's exhausting, but good.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. Very good. Yep. Add directly to it another section. Up and around. Great. And now this time you'd be using your left thumb if you want. Hold it down.
Got it.
Now, if you want tighter curls, more defined curls, you can always do more small sections.
Okay.
If you want looser curls, just larger sections that you're just doing.
Okay.
And then, yeah, once you can probably do one more. Yeah, perfect. Awesome.
Oh yeah, this is like a lot better.
It looks really good. Yeah.
Okay.
And now add all the hair once you get to the ear. Great. Perfect.
Okay. That feels a lot tighter.
Awesome. Yeah, it should feel like it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, that feels a lot tighter than I did last time. Like last couple times I've done it.
Great. That makes
Oh,
me
yeah.
so happy. Awesome.
Okay.
Awesome. Perfect. Yep. And then you can twist to tighten it. And then I just go into the back, cross it. I tuck one under, one over, but there's really no wrong way of doing that. And
Okay.
you're good to go. You look cute, honey.
Does it look good? Okay.
It looks really good. It looks so cute.
Okay.
It looks like,
Thank
you know,
you.
like 2 French braids. It like pulls up the cheekbones. You look great, honey.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Sorry.
And if this is uncomfortable to sleep in this way, you can always just take it down. Your wrap job, because you did it so well and so tight, it won't unravel
Okay.
while you sleep. So you can move these around
Okay.
when you sleep. No problem.
Okay. Yeah, because
Cool.
when I slept last time, it just got all messy. Like in the morning, I'm like, oh dear. Like,
Oh dear.
you know what I mean? Like it was just like, I just don't think I wrapped it tight enough. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, that's why we have these, because you're not alone and it's a new product and we want to
Yeah.
make sure you learn how to use
Oh,
it.
I love it though.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Really
Yeah.
appreciate that. That
Yeah,
means
it's a great product. So really and truly, you did an awesome job. So
thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate
thank
it.
you.
Oh, yeah. My pleasure.
And good luck. This is super helpful. So thank
you.
you.
Of course, my pleasure. And
I hope you move to Pittsburgh. That would be,
Yeah, I'll let you
I
know.
know.
I'll let you know. We should be there soon, I hope.
Do it because I'm telling you, it's a great city. And if you do, we'll go grab a glass of wine.
I would love that. Thank you so much, Katie. It was so nice to meet you.
All right.
Yeah.
You too, Emily. Nice to meet you. All
Have a good one. Bye, hon.
right. Bye.